ethos of KJM is about looking after customers, doing a job properly, and making sure that if you keep your existing customers happy, you'll have new ones. People choose KJM because we offer a quality of service that I believe is unmatched by our rivals. That starts from the very first phone call to the minute the fitter walks out the door and we hand over an invoice. We offer a completely no-nonsense approach to selling, and by that I mean if Mr. Smith or Mrs. Smith or Mrs. Smith's son needs to see us in their home, that's no problem for us whatsoever. One of the biggest or most popular requirements for the need for replacement windows is actually energy efficiency, and we found out that 42% of the people that actually came to us were buying purely on energy efficiency alone. Now, a lot of that can be based on the fact that we sell triple glazed windows. Triple glazed windows obviously do offer the ultimate energy efficiency, but what we have found is that people can end up walking in the door because they've seen that we sell triple glazing, but not necessarily buy triple glazing at the end of it all. But energy efficiency was the driver. I have no doubt in my mind that fuel prices are only ever going to go in one direction. They're not going to come down, and I love the word future-proofing. And if you're going to go to the lengths of changing your windows and doors, why not put the most energy efficient windows in you can? Our sales of triple are absolutely flying. We've sold the Vica 44mm triple glazing system for around the last 3 years. I think it's not long after it was actually introduced. A lot of companies sell triple glazing. The problem is a lot of companies sell triple glazing that's only 36mm or sometimes even smaller than that. The case for triple glazing is just that strong. Once again, KJM offer a service that says, you know, if you want a quote for A-rated glazing, we will give you a quote for A-rated double glazing. We're always very, very happy at the end of the quote to say, actually, if you want to upgrade this to triple glazing, then you know this is what it costs. But the reality is that a 44mm triple glazed window over our A-rated double glazed window is somewhere in the region of 41–42% more thermally efficient. The U values are just that much lower that it's, for me, it's a complete no-brainer. However, you know, we do say to customers, you know, that it's going to cost you an extra £1,000. You need to point out to customers that that £1,000 is not something you're going to get back in the next year, 2 years, 3 years. It can be a lot longer. I had an elderly couple come into the showroom only a few weeks ago, and he came in clutching some sizes and he asked for a quotation for some windows and doors. I sat down, got out a sales guy's price list, and I priced it all up. I delivered the price, and he said, "What about triple glazing?" I said, "With respect, you'll never see your money back on that. That's not a good use of your money." He was offended, very, very offended, and he said, "It's my money. If I want to see out the rest of my days with triple glazing, that's what I want." I delivered the price they ordered. It was a sound case for don't always make assumptions that people, your own assumptions. Deliver a price for triple glazing each and every time. Of our standard, what I would describe as white PVC sales today, triple glazing probably accounts for close to 20% of our sales. It's almost a unique product. There's not many people in our area who offer 44mm triple glazing. The rules and regulations changed for energy rated windows in 2009, so we made the decision as what I regard as market leaders to hit the ground running. So we started installing Swisspacer on our double glazed windows and triple glazed windows back in 2008. I was made aware by our glass rep from our glass supplying company that Swisspacer was the best way to actually physically go forward with regards to energy efficiency. So I was advised by my glass supplier that we should be going for the Swisspacer. Since then, the consumer's been asking about the wide range of colours available on the spacer bars, so that is important to the consumer. With regards to triple glazing, the Swiss bar provides the rigidity it needs to enable our manufacturers to give us a 10-year warranty on the unit, which is very, very important. And also the foil backing on the bar provides a good barrier to stop both the argon gas escaping and the moisture getting in. Obviously, Swisspacer is an important part of the energy efficiency of the glass-sealed units. We always follow up our sales presentation with a full written quotation. So within that, we'll be telling people exactly what spacer bar we're using within their quotation. And today we're obviously using the Swiss Ultimate bar within our double glazed and triple glazed units. Swisspacer is part of the package of windows and doors that we sell that just make the most energy efficient windows today. So it helps each and every time.